Now let's look at how financial news apps can enhance your stock market strategy. So financial news apps, they have several advantages and that can significantly benefit you as an investor or a trader. So here is a detailed, look at the advantages of financial news apps. Number one is real-time update. Real-time update. In this case, you have immediate information. It provides real-time, news and market update, allowing investors to react quickly to breaking news and market events. You equally have instant alerts. It delivers instant notification about important, financial news, price changes, and market trend. Number two is comprehensive coverage. There's that comprehensive coverage, there's that broad scope. It offers coverage of a wide range of financial markets, including stocks, bonds, commodities, forex, as well as cryptocurrencies. And there's that global reach. Have access to international news and market updates, facilitating global investment strategies as well as diversification. Number three is market insight and analysis. Market insights and analysis. In this context, you have that expert analysis. This includes analysis and commentary from financial experts, analysts, and journalists, providing valuable insights into market trends and investment opportunities. It equally, makes available, data and charts you could utilize. It provides access to charts, historical data, and financial metrics that aids in making informed investment decisions. It helps you to be better informed to make, excellent investment decisions. You have access to analyst reports, reports from journalists as well as some financial experts to go a long way in helping you to be able to have quality decision making process as an investor. You equally have number four, customization and personalization. Customization as well as personalization. So in this regards, you have tailored content. It allows users to customize their news feed based on specific stocks, sector, or financial topics of interest. You could say, well, as an investor, I'm interested in impact investing. You tick impact investing, so news related to impact investing will keep on coming or popping up in your platform because of this, customized, feature or tailored content. You have personalized alerts. Users can set up alerts for specific events, news, or price movements relevant to their investment strategy. Number five is educational resources. Educational resources, and this has to do with learning materials. So many apps offer educational content such as tutorials. You have articles. You have videos to help users improve their investment knowledge and skills. It helps you to up the ante when it comes to investing. You equally have educational content. It provides insight into market trends, economic indicators, and trading strategies to enhance, your understanding of how the market works. Number six is portfolio tracking. In this case, you have real-time monitoring. It enables users to track the performance of their investment portfolios in real time, including, asset allocation, as well as some gains and losses. And it equally displays performance metrics. It offers tools to analyze portfolio performance and assess the impact of news and market events on investments. What's the impact of news? And what's the impact of events in the market on your investments? These apps or these news apps, these financial apps will help you to be able to understand this impact better. Number 8 is number 7 rather, convenience and accessibility. Convenience and accessibility. You have that mobile access. It allows investors to access financial news and market information from mobile devices, making it easier to stay informed while on the go. That user-friendly interface, designed with intuitive interfaces that are easy to navigate, even for users with limited experience, whether you are a novice investor or an experienced investor. You can very easily navigate and utilize these apps. Number 8 is integration with trading platform. That seamless integration with trading platforms. So many apps integrate with trading platforms, enabling users to execute trade directly from their news app or access trading tools alongside news feed. That unified experience. It provides a unified experience for monitoring news, analyzing data, and executing trades. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you've not done that. Number 9 is risk management. So under risk management, that's alert systems, which offers risk management tools such as alerts for significant market movement, earning reports, and economic events that may impact your investment. There's crisis updates also. So delivers timely updates on geographical events, natural disasters, or other risks that could affect market stability. Number 10 is community and social features. You have investor forums. Some apps include forums or social features where users can discuss market trends. They can share insights and collaborate with other investors. You have that user contributions. It allows users to contribute their own analysis and opinions, enriching the community with diverse perspective. Number 11 is cost effectiveness. Is cost effective actually. So free and low cost options. Many financial news apps offer free versions with basic features, and premium versions, often comes at a lower cost compared to traditional financial services. There's that value for money. When it comes to the value I get from these news apps, you discover that is so much compared to the amount of money you are paying. So provides access to a wealth of information and tools at a fraction of the cost of traditional brokerage service. Number 12 is timely economic dates or timely economic data. Timely economic data. So in this case, they start, economic reports. They provide timely access to important economic reports, earning release, and other data that are crucial for, investment decision making. Equally, you have events calendar. It features calendar of upcoming events and corporate earning announcements, helping investors to plan their strategies. To help you to know precisely what is coming up in the future and how you could utilize, you could take advantage of future events as an investor. And so financial news apps, are powerful tools that offers real-time updates, comprehensive market coverage, and expert analysis, and educational resources. Not only that, they provide convenience and accessibility, allowing investors to track their portfolio on a real-time basis, manage risk, and stay informed about global events and activities from the comfort of wherever you are staying. So by offering, personalized content and integration with trading platforms, these apps enhance the investment process as well as some support for the investor, and also helps to hone or to refine your decision making process as a stock investor.